Hi, Southwest ISD. This is Valerie Maldonado, the Director of Health Services, coming to you from, well, my backyard. I wanted to talk to you about why it's so important that we stay home during this time. We miss you, our parents and our students, and we want to get back to work, back to school as soon as we can. But right now, what's important is doing our part in slowing down the COVID-19. I'm sure you all have heard about it. It's been all over the news. It's a new virus that right now we don't have the tools to fight against it. We don't have a vaccine. We don't have medication. And our bodies have never seen this virus, so we don't have the ability to fight it off at this moment. So it's important we do our part in social distance, in helping to slow down the spread of this illness, so that way our hospitals will be able to care for those who are sick. Because if we don't stay home and if we don't do our part in social distancing, a lot of people can get sick all at once and they'll need care from the hospital. And the hospital, our doctors, nurses, and other healthcare workers won't be able to care for them properly. And that's why it's so important to social distance during this time. And what is social distancing? Social distancing is keeping 6 feet away from one another, staying home. Don't go out if you don't have to, only for necessary things like picking up groceries or getting medication. Otherwise, stay home. The other things that we can do during this time, like we've talked about before and we've mentioned several times, and I'm sure you've heard it all over the news too, wash your hands for 20 seconds. You can sing the happy birthday song twice. That's about 20 seconds. If you're not able to wash your hands, use hand sanitizer with 60% alcohol. Cover your cough and sneeze, just like that. Or use a tissue and then you can go wash your hands afterwards. Don't touch your face. Stay home if you're sick. Don't be around others if you're sick, and call your doctor. And again, social distance. Keep 6 feet away from one another so that way we can do our part in slowing down the spread of this illness. I want you all to know, again, we miss you guys. We want to be back in school, and we'll get back as soon as we can. But until then, social distance. Know that we're thinking about you. There's tons of information on our website for our services that Southwest ISD is offering. You can go to www.swisd.net. Again, I hope that you will social distance, wash your hands, stay home when you can, so that way we can get back to school as soon as possible. So be safe, stay healthy, and stay home.